Between now and 2025, CapCut might become a fully paid software. As of now, we are even still using some of its features for free, but it is partly a paid software. That one aside. Now, I want to show you how you can be able to use one of the features of CapCut that all creators use, both big and small, and it makes their videos pop, which is captioning their videos. In videos like this, and a lot more of videos that you see on the internet, you can see that their videos are captioned, meaning that even if you're not hearing the audio of the video, that is what the person is saying, you can still be able to read what the person is saying and understand it, more like something you're seeing on the screen. But yeah, let me swap it away. Now, this is how you can be able to edit your video and add the auto caption in just one edit without having to screen record your video and re-edit again from scratch and do a whole lot, although they are kind of similar. And yeah, my analytics tells me that almost 90% of the people watching my videos are not subscribed to the channel. So if you're part of them, please do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification so that you will learn more on how you can be able to edit your videos and yeah, more informational videos. With that being said, let me show you how you can be able to do this on your mobile phone. First things first, you must have imported your video into the timeline, and yeah, we all know that auto caption is a pro version. Now let me go to text. When I click on text and I click on auto caption, you can see that it is a pro version, meaning that for me to be able to generate a text or a caption, I would need to generate it once for the day, and yeah, they just give you 1 day free trial. And yeah, let's say you've already used up your 1 free trial, you just come here, even with the pro version on it, you click on generate and you allow it to load up. After your text is out, that is the caption, you check it so that you'll be sure that everything that was written on it is correct. And as you can see, it is having the pro title at the top of the video. Now what you do is you edit the caption how you want it to be. That is, you edit the style, the font, but mainly I usually like using the templates that are already here. So when I put the templates, I can now readjust it to where I want it to be. Then I'll look at all the text that is written on the video to be 100% sure that it is correct. Now for me to be able to do this, I'll just click on edit caption and all the captions will come out, and then I'll look at it and be very sure that it is correct. So looking at this one, it's correct, but we are not even likely using this video because it has already been edited and posted. If you want to check out this video, you can do well to check out TechLensSave on my Instagram page or on my TikTok page. Moving forward, what you do at this point is you take the caption where you want it to be, let us say here, and then you screen record your phone. Now after you're done screen recording and everything in your video is set, that is the edits, what you will do is you delete all the captions that you have already put. You delete them one by one. Now you add up the video that you screen recorded as an overlay. So I'll go back and I'll go to overlay, add the video overlay that I made, and this is it. I'll add it up here. Now what I would just do is I would scale it up to look like the first video that is here. So when I scale it to this amount, what I will now do is I will play the video. Videos like this are thriving on the internet. Videos like this, and then take it to where it is expected to be. Let's say from here, I'll cut it up to this extent, and then I'll take it back. Videos like this are thriving on the internet. And this is how you can also, if you want to your videos, you can actually export it this way, but exporting it this way, you just have to increase all your settings. That is, you have to increase the resolution, you can do whatever you want to do with the frame rate, and then you export. But for this one, or secondly, if you want to use the main video, that is the actual video you used on this one, meaning that you don't want maybe the low quality video that you have already screen recorded, what you do is you come to the video, you click on the overlaid video, you go to max. When you click on max, you click on mirror. Now there are 2 lines that will come out for you. If you mirror this, you can now adjust the scale, that is how you want to scale the video and how you want the video to be, how you want the scale to be. Now what you do is you scale it to where you just have the caption alone. Scale it to your preference. I'll scale it this small, and when you're done scaling it, you can leave it. Now try to be as perfect as you can be so that both the first video and the second video will really merge together, and it will not really look like you did a screen record of this. You can take your time with it actually. So when you're done maxing, you click on good, and then you can even likely adjust the first video to fit what you already have here. And yes, this should be it. It will not really be known. So whenever you play your videos like this, you can see that you have the auto caption on your video even without paying for the CapCut Pro app. And then you can export normally to your phone, and voila, you have your video with your caption on it, and you can share directly to TikTok or whatsoever social media platform you're using. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, you're going to be using it in your videos, whether be your skits or your YouTube videos. Although, did I use it in this one? Maybe we might likely know later. You can be able to use it on your skits, on your videos, on your talking head content, or even in your vlog videos, and yeah, even in your short form videos. These things are the things that are thriving in all social medias. I hope you learned well, and yeah, do well to subscribe to the channel once again and hit the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified. I will see you in my next video. Peace.